Hi, my name is Colin, and the subject I'll be addressing today is how to find an honest moving company. Manchester Van Lines is a moving company specializing in long distance and local moves. We provide free in-the-home estimates and guaranteed not to exceed prices that will fit all budgets. We're a licensed, bonded, and insured Southern California-based company, and we provide a professional move foreman and crew on each and every relocation. Most important of all is that we are A-rated and fully accredited with the Better Business Bureau and the Business Consumer Alliance, as well as being rated 5 stars out of 5 on Yelp, which is the highest possible rating you can get. So give us a call today at 888-716-6392. Manchester Van Lines will be happy to work for you.